So at this point, your roses are drying up, and you can easily take those petals right there because the sun has done callus them, which is what you need before you introduce these into honey. So I'm just gathering these last few petals before they fall, and we'll take and place these into our honey. For your tea roses, when you see them, these are just beautiful, and you can take these blooms off and allow them to dry, and then you can put them in honey, or you can use them as tea, or put them in your bath and soak in them and just enjoy all the benefits thereof. These are just wonderful. When they get like this, these are perfect for putting into your honey and making an electuary. So when they're just about to drop off and they're drying up, there we have a small one. These make excellent tea. You can let the rose blooms dry, let these petals dry, and that way the benefits increase, and you can put them in your teas. You can also sprinkle them onto your food and dishes and enjoy them. And then of course when they're beautiful like this, you can dip them in sugar and place them on cakes and all kinds of desserts and bakery goods, and just really enjoy the beauty of them. So here I have my tea rose and my regular climbing rose, and what you want to do is allow your petals to callus. You can use them fresh, but I found that they're more potent and better flavored in my honey electuary when I let them callus a little bit like this, where they've dried a little bit. These are still a little fresh, which is excellent in your teas, but if you allow them to dry a little bit and become a little calloused, then you can really truly taste the flavor of them. And these, as well, you can also use these dry and make your own blend of tea. I'll add this to my lemon balm, and that'll give it even more flavor. So that's two ways you can use it. Now right here I have my honey, and if basically you just take the petals and you place them into the honey, you make it as full of density as you want with the rose petals, and you can place them right into your honey, and then you would just cover the petals up and let them stay in there. And you do not have to ever remove them, but when you fix your tea, you'll capture your petal and you'll have your honey, and you can just stir that into your hot tea, and it is super delicious, full of vitamin C, antioxidants, and vitamin trace minerals and nutrients that you are only going to get in your honey with your rose petals. So it's just beautiful tea and delicious.